In this video, we will learn the MATLAB code for successive over relaxation method or simply SOR method. Suppose we want to approximate the solution of this system having the initial approximation 0, tolerance 10 to the power negative 3 and parameter omega equals to 1.25. This information will be given in your problem, so you don't need to worry about those. If we write this system in augmented matrix form, then it will be like this. To write this matrix in MATLAB, first we write the first row, then give a semicolon and then write the second row, and then give a semicolon and finally write the third row. Also, each element of the matrix will be separated by at least one spacebar. To show that this gives an output in matrix form, let's copy and paste it to the MATLAB command window. Now I am in MATLAB command window. So this was our matrix A. So to give an output, we need to delete this semicolon. So after deleting the semicolon, press enter. So this was our augmented matrix. Now let's solve this problem using the MATLAB code. This is the MATLAB code for successive over relaxation method. So our matrix A is given here and the initial approximation x1 is here. In this code, you only need to change these two lines. That means the matrix A and the initial approximation, and all other lines will remain same. Now let's run the code. So click on run and now go to command window. So how many equations we have? We have 3 equations and tolerance is 10 to the power negative 3 and maximum number of iteration, suppose it's 50, and omega is 1.25. It will be given in your problem. So the approximate solution after 29 iteration is negative 132. Let's run the code one more time. So equation is 3 and in this time increase the tolerance to 10 to the power negative 5 and number of iteration is 50 again and omega is 1.0. So after 13 iteration, the approximate solution is negative 132. Thanks for watching.